So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a linoleum block print. This is my original sketch that I took from that picture. And this is me scribbling on the back of the piece of paper that the sketch is on. This is the block that I'll be using. So then I just take my piece of paper and tape it to the block. And then I trace with a hard pencil over top so that the lines will transfer underneath. That's why I scribbled on the back of the paper like that. And then I'll just go ahead and peel that paper off. And you can see it's pretty faint. So then I'm going to go over it with a pencil again just to define those lines so I can see them easier when carving and then they don't rub off. So I'll be using this little tool right here, and inside there's got all these tips inside. I like to start out with the small one at first and then work up to bigger. This is me putting the tip inside at the top and just twist it to tighten. So this is me starting to carve. I start with all of the little lines first, and I pretty much just carve everything that's not a line. So now I'm going to change my bit out to a larger one so that I can take out larger areas at once. So I'm going to change this scoop sized one. And now I'm going to go over and take out the larger areas in between the lines that I've already cut out. So here just shows a chunk that I took out, and then I'm going to go back and take out the rest of the littler lines first before I take out the big ones. So here's the block with pretty much all the little lines done. Now I'm going to go in with my larger gouge and just take out all of the big parts. And here's the finished product. I'm just going to cut with some scissors around the periphery to make it easier to print. And here's the finished product.